How to construct multiple squares of odd order. In a magic square there are equal number of rows and columns. 2. We have to fill up consecutive numbers, generally beginning with 1 and going up to nxni.e, n square, such that the total of each row, each column, and the two main diagonals is same. So for a 5 by 5 squares we will have numbers from 1 to 25 and the total required would be 65 for each row, column and diagonal. For the odd order square, let us first look at what is known as the Hindu rule. Steps. 1. The right-hand side 7 by 7 square illustrates the rule using alphabets. Write the first number AA in the center of the topmost row. Next, write AB in the lowest space of the vertical column next adjacent to the right. After, inscribe the remaining numbers in their natural order in the squares diagonally upwards towards the right that, upon reaching the right-hand margin, the inscription shall be continued from the left-hand margin in the row just above, and again, on reaching the upper margin, shall be continued from the lower margin in the column next adjacent to the right. Noting that whenever we are arrested in our progress by a square already occupied we are to fill out the square next beneath the one we have filled. In this manner, for example, the 7 by 7 square given below has been formed. EBFDGFAABC SUDG. FCGU AGBBCDDFEA. GDAF BACC to for example FB. AEBGCBDDEFFAGC. BFCADCEE FGGB AD. CGDB ed FFGAACB. DEC FA GG a BDCF. Please note that here AA means A plus A, BB means B plus B, and so on. 2. Give specific values to A's and A's. For illustrating the method, let A equals 0, B equals 7, C equals 14, D equals 21, E equals 28, F equals 35, G equals 42, and A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, D equals 4, E equals 5, F equals 6, and G equals 7, to get the square given below. 39 48 01 10 19 28. 47 07 09 18 27 29. 06 08 17 26 35 37. 14 16 25 34 36 45. 15 24 33 42 44 04. 23 32 41 43 03 12. 31 40 49 02 11 20. 3. To put it differently, you can start with the center square in the last column and get this 7 by 7 square. 12 04 45 37 29 28. 03 44 36 35 27 19. 43 42 34 26 18 10. 41 33 25 17 09 01. 32 24 16 08 07 48. 23 15 14 06 47 39. 21 13 05 46 38 30. This method is neat and quick. De la Libère, envoy of Louis X 1v to Siam, learned of this method here. 4. To get multiple squares, start with the central cell of the bottom row, central cell of the first column or the last column as preferred. Giving A's one of the values from 0, 7, 14, 28, 35, 42, and A's one of the values from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, with the provision that D has to be given the value 21, you will be able to cover all numbers from 1 to 49 and get the magic sum of 175. It gives 7, x 6, for clear solutions. 5. Alternatively, give A's one of the values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and to A's, 0, 7, 14, 28, 35, 42, with D being given the value 4. Of course, no value should be repeated, this automatically ensures that all the numbers are used. You will then be able to generate 7, x 6, for squares at one go by this method too. Please note 7 stands for 1x2 x3 x4 x5 x6 x7 and 6 is 1x2 x3 x4 x5 x6. 6. To apply another method which will give an even larger number of squares, as there is no restriction on the value to be given to the central number, take the 11 by 11 square by this method. The method is very general. The next line in this square starts with A's from the third column and A's from the fourth column in the earlier line. One gets the basic square shown below. AABBCCDDEEFFGGHH 2JJKK. CD to EFFGGH high IJJK Ka BC. For example FHGIHJ ek ja KBACBD CDF. GJHK IAJBKC ADBCFDG FI. IBJC KDAE BFCG DHEIFJGK HA. KU AFBGCH DEJFKGAHBICJD. BHCIDJ AK FAGBHCIDJE KFAG. DKEAFBGCHDIEJFKG ABICJ. FCGD he if JGKHAIBJCK to EB. HFIGJH Ki AJ Bank CADB ECFD GU. GKJAK BA CBDC ED FA GFHGIH. Of course AA is to be read as A plus A, and so on. A's are to be chosen from 1 to 11 and A's from 0, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, i.e. multiples of 11. You thus automatically get all numbers from 1 to 121 and the number of solutions is 11, x 11, 4, with a total of 671 for each row, column and the two diagonals. 7. Select the values that the diagonals rows columns total come correctly, in cases when some of the alphabets will repeat. In case of 9 by 9 square it will be seen that A, D, G repeat in one diagonal and A, D, G, B, E, H and C, F, I repeat in the columns. Therefore ensure that A, D, G are so selected that they total 15, and A, D, G, B, E, H, C, F, I so that they each total 108, I.E. 1, 3 RD of 324, which is the total of 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. 8. Look at one of the 7 by 7 square by this method, with numbers from 1 to 49, with a total of 175. A equals 1. B equals 2, C equals 3. D equals 4, E equals 5, F equals 6, G equals 7, and A equals 0, B equals 7, C equals 14, D equals 21, E equals 28, F equals 35, G equals 42. 0, 9, 17, 25, 33, 41, 49, 32, 40, 48, 07, 08, 16, 06, 14, 15, 23, 31, 39, 22, 30, 38, 46, 05, 13, 45, 04, 12, 20, 28, 29, 19, 27, 35, 36, 44, 03, 42, 43, 02, 10, 18, 26.